In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Wix. This is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of time, especially if you want to create a new page that keeps the same layout, design, or structure as an existing one. Instead of building everything again from scratch, you can duplicate a page and then make only the changes you need. To get started, open your Wix site in the editor. Once you're inside your site dashboard or editing view, look toward the top left area of the page. You'll see the option for Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the Pages sidebar, where you can view all of the pages that are currently part of your website. After the sidebar opens, take a moment to find the page you want to copy. This should be the page that already has the structure or content style you want to reuse. When you've found it, move your mouse over that page name. As you hover over it, additional options will appear. Next, click the three-dot icon next to that page. This opens a small menu with more actions you can take for that specific page. From that menu, choose Duplicate. Wix will then create a copy of the page for you automatically. Once the duplicate is created, you can rename it. This is a good idea so you can easily tell the difference between the original page and the new copy. Give it a clear name that matches its purpose on your site. Keeping your pages organized makes editing much easier, especially if your website has several sections. That's all it takes to duplicate a page in Wix. It's a quick process, and it's especially useful when you want consistency across multiple pages. For example, if you already have a service page, landing page, or information page with the exact layout you need, duplicating it can help you work faster while keeping your design uniform. Just remember that after duplicating the page, you should review the copied version carefully and update any text, images, or links so it matches the new page's purpose. This helps avoid leaving behind content from the original page by mistake. And that's how to duplicate a page in Wix.